Hi everyone, I'm Kaya from TiRapid. Today we are diving into a fundamental yet super important topic in machining. What's the real difference between hard metals and soft metals?
Let's start with hard metals, like stainless steel, titanium alloys, and carbon steel. These materials are known for their high hardness, strength, and resistance to deformation. That makes them ideal for aerospace, medical, and structural applications.
Take titanium, for example, it's notoriously difficult to machine, but its strength-to-weight ratio is off the chart, which is why it's a favorite in the aerospace industry. Now, on the soft side, we have aluminum, copper, and brass. These materials are more forgiving to machine. Aluminum, in particular, is lightweight, thermally conductive, and easy to cut, which makes it perfect for automotive parts, electronics, and heat sinks.
At TiRapid, we work with alloys like 6061 and 7075 all the time. 7075 is harder than 6061, but it's still much easier to machine than titanium. Plus, it gives you great efficiency. But here's the catch. Soft metals don't perform as well under heat or fatigue. Hard metals come with a cost. They are tougher on tools and take longer to machine. For example, tooling life when cutting stainless steel can be 5 times shorter than with aluminum. So how do you choose? It's not just about what's hard or what's cheap. It's about the purpose, the stress environment, the strength needed, and of course your budget. Here at TiRapid, we help clients choose the right material every single day. Whether it's for prototyping or mission-critical aerospace builds. Got a machining challenge?
Drop us a comment or reach out. We are always ready to help.